Today I will teach you how to add employee in the automated accounting system, Botkeeping. The first thing you need to do is log in to your account. Type your company name, for example, I will type Shein Water, the name of the software developer, ripacmarketingsolution.com, then enter. Once you've reached the site, click the login button. Fill in the form with your email and password. Once you've finished filling in, click Sign In. Now that we've entered, we need to navigate to the Employee module at the left side. Click the arrow beside it. Two categories will appear, namely List of Employees and Payroll. Click the List of Employees category. After clicking, it will open up a field that requires the personal information of the employee. First, type in the full name of the employee. Put NA on the tin, if the employee doesn't have one. The current address of the employee is also important. The date of birth. The type of sex. The employee's status. The number of dependents, or individuals that take benefit of the employee's salary. The salary method, it is either daily or monthly depending on the employer. The overtime rate and late rate is also needed. After all sections is filled, click the Create button. After filling in the field, a piece of information will appear. It informs the user that the operation that is taken is successful. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos about the automated accounting system, Botkeeping, click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our website and Facebook page in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.